Mr. Kaleo with the hiccups. Yeah. Yeah.
They actually go away?
Probably because we finally got the camera. Oh, and a big yawn. Oh, big yawn. Yeah. We getting ready to go to sleep for the night? Or at least for, 2 hours? Yeah. Hi. What are we doing? You looking at Daddy? You looking at Daddy? The hiccups have finally gone away.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah. Just enamored with Daddy. Staring at him. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Can I say hi, Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Yeah.
Like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
There's a good hi.
Hi.
There, that works as a hi.
Yeah. Good job, bud. Good job. What do you think? Alright, say bye, Grandma. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
There it goes. Bye.